action is also a delegate type defined in the system namespace. An action type delegate is the same as the func delegate, except that the action delegate does not return a value. In other words, an action delegate can be used with a method that has a void return type. So let us go to Visual Studio and see how we can convert all the func delegates to action delegates. So in here, let us first go to the methods and change all these signatures. Let's change the double return type to void. And then instead of returning the math.power, let us write console.writeLine, and then inside parentheses, let us return the power of the number. Let us do the same for the cubic method and the to method. Now let us scroll up to the main method. So change the func to action, but now in here we just need to define the input parameters, no return type. And we have only one input parameter, which is the double number. So let us remove the second one and then change the reference in here to be square method. If you want to see the result, you can simply write in here square, provide a parameter, let's say 4, and that's all. Let us do the same for the other func. So in here we write action, we can remove the return type, and then we change the reference to the cubic method. So we write in here cubic. If we want to see the result, we just write in here cubic, and then we provide as a parameter the number 2. So the to method doesn't have a return type, that is why we can use the action delegate, and it doesn't have any parameter. So in this case we can simply remove everything and write in here just action. And if you want to see the result, you just write in here 2. You can do the same for the show method, which doesn't have any parameters and doesn't have a return type, that's why we can use the action. So for that we write in here action show is equal to the show method. To see the result, just write in here show, and then save all the changes, press Ctrl F5 to see the result. So here we have all the results. So we have 16, 8, 2, and the last method, hello there. The same way, it's important to mention that the action delegates can have 1 to 16 input parameters, and the action delegate can be used with the anonymous methods or lambda expressions. So the same like the func delegate.